Let's talk about sexual well-being. Every man and woman deserves to have good sex, but so many don't. Every second man over 40 experiences some form of erectile dysfunction, and 60% of women are just not satisfied with their sex life. That's an enormous number of people that cannot reach that glorious state of sexual well-being. If only there was one solution that could help both men and women strengthen their relationships and bring joy and spontaneity back into their sex lives. Actually, there is. Introducing Alma Duo, a revolutionary, advanced, and effective solution for men and women. In a series of just 6 15-minute treatments, Alma Duo uses the gold standard shockwave technology to promote blood flow in the patient's genitals, making sexual intercourse feel stronger, more intense, more orgasmic for both men and women. The Alma Duo clinically validated technology restores the natural sexual function of the penis and can be effective for up to 2 years. No more blue pills, no needles, no surgery, no pain, no downtime. Alma Duo. Always a pleasure. Alma. For you, for life.